I am out at Mercedes-Benz Van Center Warner, just west of Salt Lake City. Just going to give you a quick preview of their tech night and trail run that they host several times a year. If you want more information, stay to the end of this video and you can find out how you can sign up to participate in these cool events.
Big thanks to Sky for putting a fun trip together for those of you that are joining in. If you're interested and you want to go or you're curious, talk to Sky after. He's going to talk about the trip a little more a little later. Big shout out to my team members here, Taryn, there's Jackson, Sean's running around somewhere. There's Sean, sorry Sean. Lance is on the grill. We've got Cody, a couple technicians. So we're gonna run a couple stations after dinner tonight. So it's intended to be like open Q&A. We kind of have a rough outline of like getting underneath the van, looking what to look for before a trip, what to look for if it's making noises.
I'm with American Tire Distributors. I'm their primary supplier here, so I'm here to just support and answer questions.
Any questions for tires?
Do you have any free ones?
That's a trick question.
Yep. We've got Liquid Molly here. Liquid Molly's a really cool fluid company.
We're like the Red Bull of oil. That's more. But yeah, anything oil related, factory approval specs, fun stuff for any of your guys' other side-by-sides and things like that. Happy to do it all and put you guys in contact with the right people also. So thank you.
We got Paul from Equip. Paul's one of the OGs in the whole Overland space. He's out there in his Tundra. If you want the best of the best for storage management and camp gear, go check out Paul. So, and then we've got a rep from Hunter, which does our alignment machines and our tire machines. So he's going to help us understand alignments and suspension. So you kind of got the pros, not just us, to talk to you about tires and alignment and maintaining your vehicle, and then our technicians will represent the Sprinter van. So hopefully you kind of get a chance to do the knowledge buffet, and makes you a more confident and competent traveler, get more out of your van. And the big thing that I like with these is it's a community event. So hopefully you meet friends that you'll go on trips with or cross paths with and share campsites and insights, and it's fun to have people to, like, if I want to know where I should go camping this weekend, I'm going to call Sky. She's like, oh man, I went to this one, and there's normally really good places.
It supplies air and then it locks a gear set in there. So both wheels spin the same rate, full time.
So talk about the difference between that and limited slip.
So a limited slip is, some of them are clutch driven, some of them are typhoid gears. So once it sees slip, then it starts to engage. The clutch either actuates or the gears lock up.
Is that what we used to call posi? Is that a limited slip? That's posi?
Pretty much.
Here, it's going to be wet, and the telltale sign is you'll see a pattern right here. There'll be this little line because it's flipping at a high rate of speed. If you get it caught quick enough, bring it into any dealer or anybody like that, they can actually go in, put a new boot on it. You're not out anything. If you keep letting it go and neglect it, now we got problems. Well, here's what we've seen. That will start getting out of balance, get off, and it will start binding. Once it starts binding, it likes to come to the front differential, which I'm going to show you guys right here. This way, this is a good one. It will start vibrating that and start making it bounce, and it can cause, now we can start to get into failures. So these are little things. This is why we want to go out before you guys go out on the trips and everything like that, especially off-road. You want to look at these CV boots. You have one right here, one on the inside. they're not the easiest. Yep, it's grease, so it's real thick and everything, and you'll see. Yep, and it'll have this little. We'll have a little line right here and up here where it flips.
Yep.
And you'll see it on there, and if it's split up in here, or here, or here.
Yep.
So you want to check that out and make sure you look real close. Manufacturers, not just Mercedes, thinks people don't need to have a dipstick in their car, which is the dumbest thing in the world. Because
All right, so we're here with Sky Powers, who's putting on this trail run over the next couple of days, and thought I'd grab them and have them give you guys a little glimpse of what these guys are about to plan and talk about. I know Sky's got a plan all set up for this, but what do you got planned? Where are we going?
So next 2.5 days, we'll head to the West Desert. I love the West Desert, especially this time of year. There's quite a bit of wildlife out there, wild horses, lots of pronghorn and antelope. And they're starting to, the cattle ranchers are starting to pick up the cattle, so a lot of times you see some large herds of cattle, which is kind of neat to see out there. We're headed out to the Cedar Mountain Range. The California Trail runs through that area, and we're going to a place called Hastings Cutoff. For the vans, it's I wouldn't say a challenging trail, but it's an interesting trail. There are some obstacles that will challenge the van, and the drivers will have to think about what they're doing, maybe learn a little bit to get to the obstacles. And from there, we'll work our way to the southeast, to the Tintag Range, all to the backcountry. We'll air down once. We'll air up when we get done. That's about 180 miles. Wow. And we'll finish up at the Tintag Tunnel, which is an old silver mining tunnel. And it's pretty cool because you can drive your vehicle, these large vans through the tunnel.
Really?
Yeah. So that's pretty
wow,
neat.
that sounds cool.
Uh-huh. Yep.
Very cool. So every time I post one of these videos about these trail runs, I always get people asking, how do I find out about these? So how do people find out about when the next one's going to be? Those people that miss out on hanging out with you.
You can go to my website, overlandpowers.com, and sign up. I've got, and then when I'm going to do an event, I'll put out a blast, a flyer, and get everybody up to speed and gather everybody up. Yeah.
Right on. Well, I love your passion for the van community, and I like how you put together these trail run events. I've been on a couple of them with you, and they've always been fun. And the other thing that I don't think everyone really appreciates is that you do this just for the love of it. You're not looking to make a buck. I know there is a small fee for this one, mainly just to cover the food costs.
Yeah,
because you're having some good meals. I think the last one we had ribeye steaks, if I remember correctly.
That's right. Yeah, try to keep everybody fed.
Yeah,
so I enjoy cooking for everybody.
Yeah, so it's not going to break the bank to come out here and come out with fun.
Yeah.
And have some fun and meet some new people and
right.
Check out what these vans are capable of. So thanks for doing what you do, and hopefully we can catch you on the next one. I can't go on this one.
Yeah.
But I'd love to come out and hang out with you and the group again in the future. So.
Yeah. Well, thanks for getting the content and spreading the word.
Right on. Thank you.